Good.
Well,
Right now, so.
okay.
Hi everyone, good morning.
Amazing, amazing. How does it feel? How does it feel to have a Formula One car on public roads?
It's incredible. Firstly, so happy to be here to be a part of Mercedes. The journey, I've been with Mercedes since I was 13, so I'm 32 today. It's been a long, long partnership, and to see this come to a realization. You know, I've been talking to Mercedes for ages about doing a hypercar, a real top-of-the-line hypercar, and bringing some of the F1 technology, and finally, you've done it. So I applaud you, Dieter, for doing it, and to see that this has the engine that I won the 2015 World Championship in. So it feels like it's a bit like my baby as well. So.
It is for sure. Now, everything's about timing. How did you make that? Monza 1 week before Frankfurt Auto Show, and you're on top again.
Yeah, well, it's been, so I'm filming at the same time, Dieter, so.
Okay, I have to get used to that.
It's been a long year, and a lot of work. There's over 1,000 people in our team, so to prepare and every week in, weekend out, and fight the Ferraris, who have been obviously very competitive through the year, has been a massive challenge. So to finally go to the last two races in Spa and in Monza and overhaul them, and now be in the lead of both the Constructors and the Drivers' Championship, super exciting. We still have 7 races to go, so still a long way, but I think we can, we're going to work as hard as we can. This weekend will be tough.
For sure, Singapore, that's clear. But I think that's what we were hoping for, that Ferrari would kick in and make it really exciting. That's where we are now, and we are extremely proud of you. Thanks a lot, Louis. Okay?